In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update project data automatically in Visme. If you build dashboards, reports, or any presentation that relies on live numbers, keeping your visuals in sync with your source data can save you a lot of time and prevent errors. I'll walk you through the exact flow so your charts and graphs update themselves as your data changes. Start by opening your Visme project that already contains charts or graphs. You can work inside an existing presentation, infographic, or dashboard. Give the project a moment to load so all chart settings are available. Next, locate the Data Integration option. Depending on your workspace, you may find it in the left panel, or you can simply click directly on a chart to bring up its settings. When the chart is selected, you should see options related to its data, often labeled Edit Data or something similar. This is where you'll manage the connection. Choose the specific template or individual chart you want to link to your data. If you're using a pre-designed template with multiple charts, focus on one chart at a time to keep things organized. Linking a chart means Visme will pull values from your source file and apply them to that chart's design and formatting. Click Import Data. Here you'll connect a Google Sheet, an Excel file, or a CSV. For Google Sheets, be sure you're connecting the correct spreadsheet and tab. Expect a quick authorization prompt if you haven't connected before. For Excel and CSV files, make sure your first row contains clear headers and your columns are consistently formatted. Clean, well-labeled data helps Visme map everything correctly. If your numbers use specific separators or date formats, keep them consistent in the source so the chart reads them properly. Once your data is linked, enable Auto Update. Look for a toggle or setting labeled Auto Update or Sync Automatically. Turning this on ensures that changes in your connected source file will be reflected in your Visme project. With online sources like Google Sheets, updates typically sync shortly after you modify the sheet. If you're using a static upload, be aware that continuous syncing may be limited. Connected online files provide the smoothest automatic updates. Keep column structure the same over time to avoid breaking the link. Renaming or removing columns can disrupt the mapping. That's it. Your chart is now connected and set to update automatically. Whenever your data changes at the source, your Visme visuals will stay current, helping you present accurate information without manual rework. Save your project, and you're ready to share confident, up-to-date insights.